How's it going? I'm the world's most accessible unicorn. It's my job to be honest with you when you can't be honest with yourself. I want to talk to you about snowstorm preparation. I went to the grocery store, flew on by there tonight, tried to get me some groceries. There was no bread, there was no milk. And no eggs. Why do you always go for the same stuff at the grocery store? Why do you shop for stuff that goes bad if the power goes out? Because if you have a storm, the power goes out, you lose all your eggs, you lose all your milk, and who told you that you had to drink that stuff or eat that stuff to be healthy in the first place? I don't get it. All the other food is still there. All the lettuce, all the potatoes, all the mushrooms, all the spinach, still in the grocery store. Only the bread, the milk, and the eggs are completely sold out. I do not understand it. It is not just a southern thing. It happens all over the world. It's a pretty standard situation. I do not get it. I'm just trying to be honest with you because you cannot be honest with yourself. Why are you buying perishable items if you think the power is going to go out? Doesn't make sense to me. Remember, I poop rainbows, and you can too.